Here's another one. Roaring his engine, flying in a straight line over a policeman's house. In a second, he's about to hit Peg Leg, one of the intel agents' homes, who all have cameras facing upward to make it look like I was never screwed over. Here comes a second one, flying in a straight line. This one has a bit of a screwed up engine. That's also part of why they're flying it around out front a minute ago for the Captain Sully cover up. To be like, oh yeah, some of our planes have poor engines. We couldn't help it. They did the same thing yesterday. Right over the policeman's house. Been paid a whole bunch of money. He has infrared blocking material on his roof. He used to send his son after me all the time. Now he's turning right after he got away from the house that he needed to fly over for his cover up. He's coming back to get me, to let me know. How is this not a threat? I mean, that's not surveillance. You're turning around, you're coming at me. It's like James Crystal. You're gonna kill me with your eyes? You're gonna let me know? That's a threat. What just happened, that's a threat. It's too stupid.